Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, let's talk about keeping your stunning vinyl fence in shape. It's not just a boundary, it's a key part of your home's curb appeal. Want to keep it looking picture perfect? Stay tuned as we unveil 7 maintenance tips to keep your vinyl fence shining forever. First up, give your fence a sparkling clean. Soap and water do wonders to wash away the everyday grime and restore its shine. Weeds and vines creeping too close, show them who's boss by keeping the area around your fence clear and free from damage. Channel your inner detective, regularly check your fence for any cracks, wear, or wobbly bits, solving small problems before they get big. Found a scratch? No worries, a quick repair will have it looking brand new, saving your fence from wear and tear. Loose fittings, tighten them up. A solid fence is a happy fence. Go gentle. Steer clear of harsh chemicals that can dull your fence's shine. Stick to safe, vinyl-friendly cleaners. After the storm passes, give your fence a fresh rinse to remove any dirt or debris and keep it looking spotless. A little care goes a long way. Here's the checklist: regular cleaning, weed and vegetation control, routine inspections, scratch repairs, tighten loose fittings, avoid harsh chemicals, post-storm care. Follow these tips, and your vinyl fence will stay stunning for years to come. Make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.